Alrighty, Doug. Here's your 427 small block Ford. Use Christian combination. That's set of our ass cast heads. That's some grind hydraulic roller with the Edelbrock air gap, with fuel carburetor, some ball pan. Got one of our rotating kit Eagle crank and rods, custom made Racetec Pistons. Go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3400 is 513 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 534, peak horsepower 510. So we're at 500, so everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Do a couple of things. When you receive your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card. It is a USB card full of technical information. On the engine will be this tab. It will actually have your engine number, some other specs. If you need something from us, the engine number is the easiest way to look you up. Flip it over, it's got a QR code. That'll take you some more tech stuff. Have a great day.